ASUS is gearing up to launch its new flagship-grade smartphone dubbed as the Zenfone 11 Ultra. Although the official release date is unclear, a European certification hints that the launch is just around the corner. The Taiwanese brand's upcoming Zenfone 11 Ultra was certified on EEC certification platform. It is spotted with the model number AI2401 and could be a rebranded version of the Rogue Phone 8. Final details of the device like specification were not released, but a Geekbench listing showed it will come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. It will run Android 14 out of the box with one variant will have 16GB of RAM. It managed to score 2,226 and 6,949 points in single-core and multi-core tests respectively. It has been also spotted on Google Play Console, SDPPI and Bluetooth SIG. The color variants that will come is Eternal Black, Skyline Blue, Misty Grey, Verdure Green and Desert Sienna. The pricing is not known. Whether a smaller version will be launched is not known. It's basically a rebranded Rogue 8 Pro, and hope they can keep the pricing around $900 or $800 to $900, and they can give at least 4 years of Android updates. All this is visual thinking, but let's see how it turns out.